Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making John Candy's choice cocktail from the Blues Brothers, Orange Whip. The drink, like the film, has become a bit of a cult classic and is known for tasting like an Orange Julius or a creamsicle. We'll also be making a riff on the Orange Whip that's more involved, more tropical, that I'll be calling the Carro Naranja. For ingredients, you'll need vodka, bartender's choice, freshly squeezed orange juice, no cheating here, rum. I'd recommend choosing something lower proof like Plantaray or Havana Club, but I foolishly forgot to pick some up, so I'll be using Uncle Ray and his nephews, but having the amount. And lastly, heavy cream. I've opted for dairy-free whipping cream here, so I don't have to fumigate my place after, but you do you. Some recipes call for cointreau, but I'll be following the original from Wikipedia that doesn't call for it. For my riff, you'll be making a few substitutions and additions, starting with blanco tequila in place of the vodka for some actual flavor. Appleton for Ray and nephew for some barrel notes and apricot flavor, but you can choose your own favorite lightly aged rum. Lime juice to help bolden the citrus flavor, as the orange juice alone doesn't put up much of a fight with the other ingredients. Cointreau for some added reinforcement for the orange flavor, vanilla syrup to help balance the citrus with some sweetness, some cocoa bitters to reinforce the dessert elements in the drink. Once you've got all your freshly juiced citrus, gather the rest of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, go to jigger, and measure 1 ounce of vodka. One ounce of your white rum, only half if you're also using Ray and nephew. Four ounces of your orange juice, the fresher the better. And lastly, 2 ounces of your cream. The recipe calls to blend with no ice, which I find a bit insane, so we're going to add at least a couple small guys, then seal and shake for about a minute. We want it nice and frothy. Then they're asking for a Collins glass with ice. Then pour your cocktail into your glass. Top it up with ice so it's nice and full, and there you have the Orange Whip. Now let's give it a taste. It tastes like a creamsicle, fresh orange flavors followed by the rich frothiness of the cream, with a passing mention of Ray and nephew on the back of the palate. If you used a different rum, I don't think you'd taste the spirits in this drink, which makes it, in my opinion, pretty uneventful. Now let's try it my way. Get yourself a fresh shaker tin and jigger, and measure 4 ounces of orange juice, quarter ounce of vanilla syrup, a half ounce of lime juice, a half ounce of cointreau, one ounce of Appleton, one ounce of blanco tequila, 2 ounces of your cream, two dashes of cocoa bitters, add a big rock of ice, then seal and shake for 60 seconds or more to get everything nice and frothy. Get a big milkshake or hurricane glass, add a couple cubes to ensure things stay cold, then strain your cocktail into your glass. And what milkshake would be complete without a cocktail cherry? And of course, a straw. And there you have El Carro Naranja. Now let's give it a taste. Bright orange citrus blend, layering the orange juice, sweet but slight bitterness from the cointreau, reinforced with the tartness of the lime juice, followed by your dessert notes, vanilla from the homemade syrup and the cocoa bitters, stone fruit from the appleton, and deeper tropical complexity from the tequila. Bright and not too rich. Overall, the citrus and fruity notes are enhanced and play better than the original, with the ingredients sweet but well balanced. I'd highly recommend making the Carro Naranja. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite way to make an orange whip? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit the like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.